Hello Jennifer, this is Instructor Johnson. Just wanted to do a video tutorial for you over question 24. So question 24 asks us to find the distance between the pair of points. And the pair of points that I have that are given to me are the following. I have one pair which is 3, 7. And then my other pair, which is 12, 19. Now we're asked to determine the distance between those 2 points. And so we have to recall the general formula for distance, or as it's commonly referred to as the distance formula. And the distance formula can be written as follows. It's d is equal to the square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 quantity squared. Let me go back here for a second. I should put that below here, x sub 1, plus, and we're going to square that, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 quantity squared. And I probably want to extend this root right here, okay? So we know that in general we can use this formula for determining the square root, or determining the distance between 2 points. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm going to list this point as my x1, y1, and I'll list this as my x2, y2. So when we plug it into our distance formula here, give me just a second, I want to open up some room here for us, okay? So when I enter this into my formula, I'm going to get the square root of, well, let's see, I have x2, which is 12, minus my x1, which is 3, and we're going to square that quantity. And we're going to add to that my y sub 2, which is 15, and I'm subtracting from that 7, and then we're going to square that. So now I have to simplify what is under the roots for each one of these. So 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. So I have this is equal to the square root of 9 squared plus 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. So this is the same thing as 8 squared. So we want to now determine what 9 squared is and add that to what 8 squared is. Well, we know 9 squared is equal to 81, so I have 81 plus 8 squared, which is equal to 64. Now, when I add these two together, I get 81 plus 64, which is equal to the square root of 145. Now, it's possible that this thing will break down even further. We'll have to check that in our calculators. So let's go to our calculator and determine whether or not, what the value of this. This is what we call the exact value. So this is known as the exact. My handwriting is a little bit messy there. I apologize for that. This is known as the exact value. And the approximate value would be for us to evaluate what the square root of 145 is equal to, which is approximately 12.04159457, so on and so forth. So make sure that you approximate according to whatever digit matrix I want you to approximate to. So whenever we were asked to find the distance between 2 points, recall that we're always going to use the distance equation here. Okay? All right, Jennifer, I hope that this helped, and please don't hesitate to contact me should you have additional questions. Take care.